Hello friends, this is Malhar and you are watching DM Talks. So let's start. Our today's topic is structures in C. Before starting this topic, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications related to C tutorials on the channel named DM Talks. So let's start. Our today's table of content is what is structure, defining a structure and accessing the members of the structure which we are going to create in a program. So let's see what is structure. What is structure? Before this video we are using arrays. As we all know, arrays means collection of same data types. Now what if we want to collect different data types into a same set? For that we are going to create a structure. Means structure is a collection of different data types. Here we have created a structure named book in which it has a member, title, author, subject and book ID. Now all the four attributes have different data types and it is collected into a same group and a structure named as book. Now how to define a structure? For defining a structure we are using a keyword named struct. And here is the following syntax how to define a structure, in which there is a struct keyword, name of the structure, then the members of it, and as soon as the curly brace is over we have to write the structure variables. We can write more than one members and we can also write more than one structure variables separated by comma. Here is the same theory as I have told you in our previous slide. To access a structure members, here is the following simple syntax, in which there is a structure variable dot member program related to structure, in which we are going to scan a structure members and the print the data which we have scanned. Now one thing is to remember that structure is a different type of function, so we are not going to declare a structure inside any function. If we declare a structure inside a function, then it is going to become a local structure, so it is not globally used. For that we have to declare a structure outside all the functions, and the most efficient way is to declare structure firstly in your program. So here we have created a structure named book. It has a structure member, title, author, subject and book ID, and a book variable as book1. Now to declare a structure we have two methods. We can declare a structure variable like this, or we can also create a structure variable like this. For that we have to write a struct keyword, that is book space book books1 is our variable. These are the two methods to define a book variable. Now how to scan a book members such as title, author, subject and book ID? For that we all know the function named scanf. There is a little bit difference to scan an ideal member and a structure member. In a structure member, to scan a string or a character, we are not specifying the % sign. We are only writing its name, and we all know how to access the data members of a book. Now let us copy this and now change it to author. change it to subject, and change it to book ID. As it is integer, here we are going to specify the and % sign and change the access specifier to D. Now let us build it so we have no error and run. The book ID is ABC, author name is ABC, subject ABC, and the book ID is 123. So like this we can scan each and every data members of a structure. Now to print their value, we are going to write the printer function into which the title and /n and so on. Now let's build it so we have no error and run. Now let us give the title as ABC, author is ABC, subject name also ABC, and book ID is 123. Now likewise we can print the stored value of a structure members. So here is the code to scan the each and every members of a structure and to print that members. Now in our next videos we are going to see how to create an array of structure, how to use structure as a pointer, how to use structure as a function argument. So here we are going to end our video. If you have any doubt or any suggestion related to these videos, please comment down into the comment section and like, share and subscribe DM Talks for more motivational, technical and C tutorial related contents into our same channel. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.